Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your account on the Mobills application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobills application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account, go ahead and use your email address and your password and then log in and you will be taken into your dashboard. Now, if you wish to reset your account and start from the very beginning, then tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. You can then click on the gear icon at the top right corner and this will take you into the settings page. Now click on Preferences and then scroll all the way down and you will see the Start from Scratch option. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked which settings you would like to keep. You can go ahead and choose the settings that you want to keep, and if you don't want to keep any information, you can just uncheck all of these boxes. Finally, click on the Continue button and you might be asked to enter your password to verify. After entering your password, your account will be reset and you will be able to start using the application from the very beginning. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your accounts on the Mobills app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.